Okay, I filmed this video about a year ago. I don't know if it got copyrighted because I referenced a scene from The Office, or it was maybe the audio, but finally I'm re-uploading it the correct way. So this video, I'm going to give you guys a tutorial on how to fix this. No, I did not break this doll. I bought this doll secondhand. This is the reason why she was so flippin' cheap. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix this. And yes, they did use this dummy on The Office. Instead of cutting the face off, they just split her down the middle to get her organs. If you guys don't know what I'm referencing, I'll put a clip. You can look it up on YouTube. It's just The Office, Dwight stabbing a dummy. They were doing like some sort of thing and he just stabbed it. That's a reference I made. So the need for this tutorial: needle and thread. Kind of try to get close to her body. This is like the tannest one, the like peachiest tone thread my aunt owns. So this is what we got. Oh my god, I hit my ring light. Oh, slowly. Scissors. And you're gonna need stuffing. Well, that's if, you know, your doll is missing stuffing. Kind of like mine is. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stuff the doll. So next step is you're going to get your thread and thread it through your needle. So basically I just got 2 strings, wrapped them together and tied them in the knot. If you guys want like a professional way how to like sew, there's probably like a million videos. I am just going to sew her up. Or you can duct tape her if you want. But I feel like sewing is a better option. Finish the rest of the sewing, and I'm gonna sew that, and maybe but yeah, so I'm just gonna finish a little bit of the sewing here. Okay, so that's what the body looks like. It's sewn pretty good. Yes, she doesn't have hair because the wig, I realized she looks a lot like Kit, and that wasn't my initial goal. So I'm gonna re-wig her, but yeah, this is what she looks like with her sort of fixed body. I'm kind of happy she's gonna be wearing clothes, but yeah, for an Isabelle cheap doll, I can't complain. She's really pretty. I think I'm gonna keep her named as Isabelle. I might give her a different wig, but yeah, so that is how you fix a doll body if it is ripped. Yeah, not me not having an outro for this video. So yeah, thank you guys very, very much for watching this video of me fixing up a doll. Yeah, me waiting a whole year to repost this, but yeah, hope you enjoy, and I will see you guys later. Bye.